Solve the simultaneous equations y minus x equal to 1 and 2y plus 3x equal to 7. Now we are given the equations y minus x equal to 1, and then we have another equation 2y plus 3x equal to 7. So let's take it as this is our equation 1 and this becomes our equation 2. And we have to find the values for x and y in this simultaneous equation. So what we're going to do is we decide on which method we want to use. We have the substitution method, we have the elimination method, and then we have the graphing method, right? So in this case, we are taking the substitution method. Now, if you want to use the substitution method to solve these equations, what we're going to do is that we will make one variable the subject of one of the equations, okay, and then put it into the other equations. So let's take it as we are taking the first equation, equation 1. So from equation 1, we have y minus x equal to 1. And let's take it as we want to make y the subject. So y will be equal to, we have 1 here already. Then we send the negative x to the other side. It becomes what? Positive x. So you have y to be 1 plus x. Okay. Now that we've made y the subject of the first equation, we will put this result into the other equation, that is the second one. Okay, so putting y equal to 1 plus x into equation 2, right? Good. So equation 2 is 2y plus 3x equal to 7. So wherever we see y, we write what? 1 plus x. Okay, so now let's rewrite the equation 2. So we have 2 here multiplying y. So in place of y, write what? 1 plus x. So we have 1 plus x here, then plus 3x equal to 7, right? Now 2 is multiplying 1 plus x. So 2 multiplied 1 is what? 2. 2 multiplying positive x is what? Positive 2x. So plus, we have 3x here equal to 7. Now the next thing is we have to group like terms, right? So those having x in them, we leave them at one side, and those that are constants also, we leave them at the other side. So let's take it as I'm maintaining those having x here. I have 2x plus 3x here equal to, I have 7 here, which is a constant number, and I'm sending the constant number 2 to the other side. So it becomes what? Negative, because it's positive at this side. So 2x plus 3x gives us what? 5x equal to 7 minus 2 gives us what? 5. Now I don't want 5x, I want x. So what I'm going to do is what? I'll divide by 5 and then I do the same thing to this side. So 5 divides 5 is 1, multiplying x is what? X equal to 5 divides 5 is 1. So 1 is left here. So x is equal to 1. Now that we've been able to find the value for x in the given equations, now we can decide to put x equal to 1 into any of the equations, right? You can put x equal to 1 into this equation, you can put it into this equation, or this equation. Any of the equations that you put it into, it will result in the same answer. It will help you to find y. So let's take it as I'm putting x equal to 1 into this. Okay, so putting x equal to 1 into y, which is 1 plus x, right? So y is equal to 1 plus, whenever I see x, I'll write what? 1. So 1 here. Y is equal to 2. Now I've been able to find the value of y. So you see that y is equal to 2 and then x is equal to 1. So what are the values? X is equal to 1 and then y is equal to 2. If it is a theory question, when you are done, then you finalize it by saying, therefore, x is equal to 1 and then y is equal to 2, right? So if you want to prove it as to whether it is correct or wrong, you can take the equations. Whenever y is, you write the value for y. Whenever s is, you write the value for s. You see that you get this answer. You come here to wherever y is, you write the value for y. Wherever s is, you write the value for s. You see that you get this answer in the second equation to prove that whether what you solved is correct or not. So finally, s is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2.